in the movie. I've got a bad feeling about this.
And with that, welcome to my 0 to Hero Let's Play. I'm gonna try and make it as short as possible. Only cut out boring stuff where I'm running from point A to B. And we have some mods installed. I'm gonna put a list on the screen now so you can look. I'll also put the list in the description. So yeah, let's see who we choose. Going with Bear because I heard they have better equipment for the beginning, at least with realism. Let's see. All right, this we don't need. All right, so this is the SPT Realism profile. So it is not 100% 0 to hero. But I guess in a way it is still. So yeah, let's make the best out of it. So what was that? What was this? Oh, it wasn't healing, right? In any case, I'm gonna equip myself and then we're gonna jump into a raid. Alright, let's jump into factory. And as you can see, we're still on the 0.13 patch. Yes. We have also SAIN. We have SAIN and donuts installed. So we are gonna get a random preset selected. And I'm gonna have to keep this short because I gotta leave in like 15 minutes from now. But you're not gonna notice anything of that. So, yes. Let's see what we can do on factory. Oh, God. The fuck? Where the fuck is he? Holy shit, it's better slow. Alright. That didn't go as planned, I guess. But reloading with a pistol is hella slow. Oh my god. Damage dealt to body 153, hit count 12. Well, I guess he did not get a blade or anything. So 919 green tracer. That didn't exactly go as planned, so we are gonna go in again. Alright, let's go into factory once more. We're gonna ensure stuff, because why not? Alright, let's go up to... I can't sit. Huh. That was easy. We are gonna have to leave. He killed Tagilla. So that is good thing. Yeah. This thing. Right, let's check the mags. Maybe we don't check mags. Maybe we just try and get out. Because I did not expect to have Tagilla. Or rather, Tagilla pushing me.
You fucking cunt.
Alright, let's get on. Two kills. An RPK. Good stuff, good stuff, good stuff. Alright, I cannot sit down. Why? I don't know. It's annoying me, but it's fine. So, nice first two raids. First one was a bit, yeah, well, let's just say, Tequila was lucky. 2 hits, 2 fatal hits, nice one. Did I kill him with a headshot? Oh, I don't know, because I didn't pick it up. I would have died, probably, so I'm not going to loot. But level 3, good stuff. Let's go. That is very nice. I'm also trying to put in some music so you guys don't hear nothing, don't say anything. No. That should be fine. We're gonna use the RPK as long as we have ammo for it, or rather mags, or until we die. I die, not we. I'm playing alone. It's me dying, not you dying, so yes. Let's see. Repair. Mechanic. Does he repair it? Yes, he does. Good shit. Repair. Mechanic. Alright. Nothing to repair. Good stuff. We could use the mask, but it doesn't work with the earphones. No, we're not gonna use the mask. Oh, you know what? Might as well use the mask. I mean, we don't need it yet. We're good. Alright, events. How much money do we have? We have 120. Yeah, let's just build it to have it. Alright. See if we can buy anything. SPT Realism mod has a stage system for the flea market, meaning you can buy stuff from level 1 pretty much, but it unlocks in stages, I believe, what I read. So yeah, let's check our quests. Did I even accept it? No, I did not. Good stuff. First aid kits. So this is algorithmic quest randomizer. Interesting. But for the next episode, we are going to woods. So yeah. Thank you very much for watching the first episode. I hope you had fun, enjoyed it. I hope I made something out of it. And well, see you in the next one. Peace.